think there are crocodiles here?
We can sometimes see pit vipers. I feel like something out of National Geographic perched up on the front of the boat looking for all the wildlife. Give it to them, look at that.
The people don't eat it, but I will eat it. What is happening, beautiful people? We are Silky and Kieran and we're on our 10-year honeymoon world trip.
And today we are in Langkawi and going to be going on a boat tour to see some of the coolest stuff to do on the islands. Yeah, so let's see what we get up to. This is only our third day in Malaysia and already we love it here.
The nature just looks insane and the people are super kind. This is our boat driver and he's called Ismail, or he said Mile.
Mile.
We call him.
We're on nickname terms.
Friends now.
This is Gorilla Mountain and you can see why it's called Gorilla Mountain.
He's like, whoo.
We've arrived at an amazing spot for watching eagles, and literally as you come round the corner you just see these, I think it's white-bellied sea eagles just here, just like above our heads. Wow, this is insane. They're swooping down. Someone dropped off some fish.
It's amazing. They're so big as well.
I feel like something out of National Geographic perched up on the front of the boat looking for all the wildlife. I already saw some monitor lizards, and he said if we have good eyesight, like an eagle, we can sometimes see pit vipers and
No, I'm joking.
little goose. Gotta keep on that lookout.
We are surrounded by mangrove. Literally everywhere you look, it's mangrove.
Mangroves are super important because of how diverse life is amongst the mangroves. They support so many different types of animals, and because of the nature of their roots, they're able to help when there is huge waves, tsunamis.
Look at him, he has a...
These little guys are called mud crabs.
We just learned that if they have one big claw, they are male, and if you have two small ones, they're female. Sounds a bit like Kieran and me. This is so relaxing. There is also some shade which feels really nice, and it's kind of magical. It really is. It really is magical. Lover, do you think there are crocodiles here?
Yeah, for sure. Nah, no crocodiles.
A few monkeys just saw us and they know that we have bananas with us, so they're coming closer.
These beautiful little monkeys are long-tailed macaques, and apparently when they're born for the first 6 to 8 months they are black, and then they start to change colour into the brown colour that makes them blend in so well here in the forest. So.
Oh, be nice guys. Okay, you want one? Oh yeah. Can I take one? No, probably not. You want one as well? Oh yeah.
Nice.
Yeah? I think the last banana is for me.
No, give it to them, love. Give it to them, look at that. He wants it.
You want it? Okay. These little monkeys are freaking cute. When we were in Laos, we spent 2 months with a little baby monkey and she was just incredible. If you haven't seen that vlog yet, make sure to check it out. Little baby girl.
Mein Heartje.
It's finished. You want it?
Yep.
Bye friends. See you again. What's happening?
You've seen something, but I'm not sure what it is. I would like to see too.
Snake.
Yeah?
Viper. Yeah.
There's a snake in the tree.
Next
stop, Crocodile Cave. Looks scary inside. Very dark.
So cool. Beautiful place.
Are there crocodiles in the cave?
Rock look like a dead crocodile.
We're being fooled. No crocodiles in the cave.
This rock should look like a crocodile, which is why it got the name Crocodile Cave.
I don't really see the crocodile.
This the monkey eat in the mangrove trees.
Ah, from the mangrove tree.
Yeah.
I did hear about this recently on a podcast, that the mangrove tree, so the fruit is here, it falls like into the water and then this floats around, and this is how mangrove trees get so dense. You know, this floats for a little bit, the water seeps in, it becomes heavy and then plants itself in the bottom, and this becomes the root. and this is the start of the mangrove tree, so this would be starting to like super soft. It's like fluffy.
Oh wow! The monkeys can eat it, so I mean, I guess we can also try it. You eat it?
No. But
People don't eat it, but I will eat it.
Good die.
I'm joking. It's very bitter.
Oh yeah?
Oh. My tongue feels.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's got that dry texture. We'll see why the monkeys like it.
So the village that you can see here is Kilim village. These are basically just restaurants, floating restaurants, and they work from morning till evening and then they go back home. And now we're coming up to the Andaman Sea. He said there might be some waves. It's my time to try the boat.
you know to handle it.
No.
You want one speed, you just push there. Okay? Please use
Nice and easy.
just like a car.
Like a
Once
car.
the left,
I don't even drive a car. I'm trying to turn, but it doesn't turn up. Faster.
over there.
Oh,
Go and go to Thailand.
you're not scared?
Not yet.
No? I am! I know! Oh my god, he's scared!
He is a crazy driver. I just want to cruise, you know. I love it, it's good fun actually. Ah, terima kasih. Nice. What an amazing tour.
Mile was just a beautiful tour guide. He was amazing, showed us all the nice spots, and yeah, I really enjoyed it, huh?
Yeah, it was incredible, and now I'm super hungry, so it's time to get some food.
Shall we? Can we come until where you go? Yeah, that's good. Yes? Thank you. Yeah, we got a ride. Sit in the front. Okay.
To my home.
Okay.
I just drop you.
Perfect.
Terima kasih.
Yay! Super easy as well. Wow, friendly guy. Not the most comfortable ride. But it's fine. We found a little place.
It's where we had our coffee this morning, and they're gonna make us rice and egg, and oh, we can't wait for that.
How is it?
So good. Sedap.
Yep.
Sedap.
Sedap. Sedap.
Sedap.
Soup.
Sedap. I think. We're getting some Thai iced tea and some coffee. 8 ringgit for all of this. That's amazing. Oh.
I think there's like 20 sugars in one coffee. Welcome to our humble abode.
Yep. We got this little room for 50 ringgit a night. And
Which is around $10 maybe?
yeah.
It has AC though. Really
And
cool.
AC means one thing.
Snuggles! What a perfect way to end this day.
Yep. The boat tour was incredible. And now the food has been amazing. And we're going to go and get some work done. So if you want to join us on the next adventure.
Please like, subscribe, turn notification bell on.
All that good stuff. And we will see you on the next one. Hi.
Hi. Bye bye.
Hi. Bye bye.